So this is deep learning lesson 6, which is ICP 13. So in this ICP we are gonna learn about the auto encoders and its applications. So as a first question, we need to add one more hidden layer to the auto encoder, and we need to do some prediction on the taste data, and then we visualize one of the reconstructed version of the taste data, and also visualize the same taste data before reconstruction using matplotlib. So here is our code. I use some Keras libraries, and we are downloading some data, and we need to do some pre-processing on it. So we are like training the data here, and autoencoder is we are using autoencoder, and we will plot some original images, and then we are gonna reconstruct it. So in this we are gonna like reduce the dimensions, and we are gonna check on it. So I am running this data for like 5 epochs. But our loss is not that much like improving. It was 0.6940, and just it is 0.6931. So maybe if we do it for more epochs, then it will like loss will be improved. So these are the our like original images from the database, and this is how like these noisy images have came if when we reduce the dimensions. So for the like next questions, what we need to do is like we need to repeat like same thing, but we we need to use denoising autoencoder. Like previously we used like reducing the dimensions. Now we are gonna like add some noise in the image and then reconstruct it again, and we are gonna plot the loss and accuracy graph also. So for this I use like some few Keras libraries, and we are like encoding it, and then uh, we are doing some pre-processing on the same task, and we are gonna introducing noise, like adding some noise to the data. So uh, the image will be noisy. After that we are gonna do encoding and decoding task. So on the taste data we are gonna do some training, and we are gonna print the original data, then adding noise to the data, and then we will reconstruct the image, and we will show the image. So I have also saved this model, and I'm gonna take few images. I ran this for the 10 epochs, and these are like our 10 images I have chosen. So this is the image when the noise is like gets added, and this is after the reconstruction. So it doesn't look that good comparatively to the original image. So these are loss curves. So this is the training loss, and this is the validation loss. And for accuracy curve, this is the training accuracy, and we didn't get like good accuracy for the original like reconstructed image. So that was all about like ICP 13 deep learning lesson 6. Thank you.